Started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since I started to say.
Hi Pure Dolls, I'm going to start using this Ghost Bond glue, and this got to be glued. I'm going to go ahead and spread the Ghost Bond around my hairline, making sure I work it in good enough so it won't be thick and it'll be able to dry. Now I am using the Got to Be Glued, going in with a second coat, applying it to my hairline as well. Okay, now I'm about to go ahead and apply the third coat, which will be of the Ghost Bond. And here comes Bay. I don't know why he want to play, why he want to get in my video and mess it up, but watch this. The other two layers were completely dry, so this is my last layer I will be applying. As y'all can see, I did not lay the cap down. All I did was put it on my head and started from there. You don't always have to lay the cap down, spray the Got to Be Glued around your hairline, cut the cap, all of that. If you are a first timer, I recommend you try this method rather than laying the cap down properly. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my baby. I am not a fan of color, but once I put this wig on, I fell in love. It was so cute on my skin. Here's a blooper. That third layer of glue was not yet completely dry, and you can tell because you still see that it's white. And I was trying to apply the wig. I had somewhere to go, so I was kind of like in a rush or whatnot, but I'll be fixing that in a minute. So now I am going to press the lace down into the glue, and I'm gonna use the end of my comb to like work the glue into the lace so that the wig can stay. Okay, so here I'm trying to make the wig comfortable, and I am seeing that the edges are not laid. How devastating! But I'm gonna go ahead and just try to work the glue into the lace once again. Tuck some hair behind my ear. That look is like everything to me. Behind the ear with the, oh my goodness. I'm not a fan of baby hair, so no, I didn't just go crazy with the baby hair, but most definitely love how I styled this wig. So here I'm going to go in with the Ghost Bond and just apply a little bit more glue right here in front of my ears so that the lace could be completely laid and I can go ahead with my life. I'm having all types of trouble trying to lay this wig. Look at that. Glue on the lace. I don't need the glue seeping through. That is most definitely not what I wanted. But I finally achieved it. And this was my final look. The wind definitely had my flyaways looking crazy. But I love it, and thank you ladies for watching.
and I make a no more night.